Hi guys, I am not here today. Remember, I told you that my daughter was having knee surgery today, so I will be stuck at a hospital. If you have any questions, you know that you can log in. Well, you are going to log into Edmodo and you can ask me a question there. So, the first thing today with what you've done is you've actually gone into Code Combat and have worked on that for you and click on app creators, and over on the side here on the left you'll need to click on app revolution. The other day we started this, and I believe where we left off is where you were getting ready to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what you will need to do by yourself is you will need to get your engineering notebook, and you will need to follow these instructions very, very carefully. Read everything. So you will go in, you'll read number one, access the App Inventor website. You'll click on this link. It will take you to App Inventor with a new tab. You can toggle back and forth between tabs to read and do, read and do. So then after that, it says click the create apps. You will then click the create apps. It will take you into your app inventor. It'll ask you to click on your Google account and you'll go from there. Once you are into app inventor, it will, in this area right here, it will tell you to start a new project. Remember, you will be typing your file name in what's called camel case, which means there are no spaces between your words and the project title, and each word is capitalized to make it read better. Kind of like this. If you notice, each word is capitalized. Then it will ask you to go in and click OK and work on this. I suggest finding out what each one of these areas are. Explore a little bit on your MIT and App Inventor and find out what some of those things are. Okay? Then once you click in there, you're going to go down here to this section and you're going to read. And notice where under 5 you have 2 questions. So in your notebook, you will answer these questions. 5A, in complete sentences by restating the question. So in your notebook, you should write 5A and how you would answer that question. You could say, well, the question is, what other components do you see in this drawer? You would answer it by restating the question. I see the components in this drawer as, or you could say, what components do you see? I see many components such as, and then you would tell me what other components you would have. Then it says click the question mark icon to the right of the component name. What do you see? So when you go in, you click on the question mark, answer that question. What do you see? Then you will go down to 6A, and then there you will go in and you will answer this question. It says click on the other drawers in your own words. What do you see? Answer that question in your engineering notebook. Then it tells you what to do here. And then you will go through number 8 and do what it says to do there. Then you will answer these questions in your notebook. What do you think this list represents? Can you guess what screen 1 stands for? Answer them in complete sentences. And you'll go down to 9. You'll answer A, B, and C in your own words. Then you'll go to 10, and you can go down into 11, and you can answer these questions in your own words. Then so forth. You could go to 12, 13, 14 if you are really into doing really well. And then if you want to, you can go on into exploring the mystery app. You have to follow the directions in order for it to work. Make sure you read and you find out how to make this mystery app, and you will be on your way of making your mystery app. Then if you get down in this far, you need to answer these two questions, A and B. It would be listed as 17A and B, and then you can do 18A and B. I don't, you have plenty of work to do today. Try to do much as this as you can. On Tuesday, when I come back, we will be continuing this and trying to get through with this. When you're done with today's activities, make sure that you log off, quietly wait for the bell to ring, and then the teacher will dismiss you. Please be good today. If your name gets written down and it's because you were doing something wrong or bad, you will get a automatic teacher after school suspension or detention. So make sure you're doing everything that you need to do today and help one another and do not get in trouble. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday.